Let's wait for the stream to start. And we're live, I think. Are we? We should be live. Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Amosnimos, and I know we have a very cool thumbnail for this video. If you want to see how I made that, it's the previous stream called Amosnimos Live bracket 004. And now we're in the Amosnimos Live bracket 005. I know how to count. 5 is after 4. Okay. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into this file right here in the terminal. I'm opening a terminal. Don't be scared. Okay, the terminal isn't gonna hurt you. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna basically edit these files, these directories. What are they? I don't know. Let's discover that together. So basically I'm playing this very underground niche indie game called Sarbraten, also known as Cube 2. If you never heard of it, it's a very cool game. I could show it to you, but we're just gonna look at the file first. And on my system, the game data and information is stored into this directory right here. So you have basically the user directory, the share directory, the games directory, then you have Sarbraten, then you have the package directory. And in the package directory, there is all the data that the game used to work. So if we go into the texture directory and we take a look at what we have, let's go there with the file manager. We have the basic texture for the game, and we have like bump map and the texture for the lava and stuff. But it's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the these things, the terrain texture, but these are different because some of them have grass on top of them, like 3D grass and stuff. But we have our basic building block here that I want to edit. These I want to change. But first of all, we need to look at their size. And I can see this here. It's 5 by 512. Yeah, 512. I'm not good with number in English, but I'm gonna do my best to make sense. So this folder is open for I don't know what reasons. So okay, that's the one I was using. If I close it, is it gonna break everything? I'm still streaming. Okay, I'm just gonna look all the stuff I have open. I have GIMP open with basically our last project, which was the thumbnail for this video. And let's clear the terminal. It's prettier. Sarbraten edit. I no longer need the source code of the entire game because I don't need to compile it to edit the texture, because that was my first plan. I wanted to do this project I had of putting all the Minecraft texture into Sarbraten to fool people into thinking that I was playing Minecraft and then being like, oh, but I have a gun. Oh, but there is enemy attacking me that aren't in Minecraft usually. What is happening? But it's not actually Minecraft, it's another game. Oh, you got fooled. So that was the plan. But I couldn't remember. I couldn't remember the greatest song in the world. No, this is just a tribute. Yeah. Okay, sorry. I couldn't remember basically how I did this in the past to change the texture in Sarbraten. So I thought that in the past I had to compile the whole game just to do this. But you don't have to. That's what I just learned. Yeah, I just learned that I don't need to recompile the whole game to change the stuff in it, which is freaking awesome, man. So I can change the sound. I could have remake my own sound, which I did in the past. I had all the sound of Sarbraten remade, especially the sound from when you get hurt, because the default sound is very bad. Like, you can make a better hurt sound than the default sound. Anybody can. We have the skybox, which is cool. You can make your own skybox, I guess, or you could steal them, which is very cool. You can like steal sounds and images from other games and put them in Sarbraten, because you can make your own skybox and stuff. That's great. Actually, we could build our own skybox. Do we? Are we gonna do that? Do we do this in the stream? Is there people watching that could give me feedback on what you want me to do in this video? No, so I'm gonna do whatever I want. So we're making our own version of a skybox using GIMP. Yeah. Let's open this in a new file. So I don't like the lava. That's the main thing I'm gonna change, and all these I'm just gonna color to alpha, and just want to remove the lava. Oh, so that was easy. That was freaking easy. So we want to do this on all of them. Color to alpha, and just the lava. Yeah. Color to alpha. Remove lava. Color. Actually, this one is entirely lava, so I could probably just, yeah. That's easier than to use the color to alpha and remove the lava. Okay, so now we have our base plate. Whatever we're gonna put here is gonna be our lava. And I know a cool way to generate lava. Render fractal noise, cell plasma noise, simplex noise, just noise. Noise is good. Some like this look like lava. Then we can just color temperature, put that to the other direction, ooh, till it looks just like lava. Does it look like lava? I think it does. I think I know what I'm doing. Thank you. I do know what I'm doing. We want to add just a bit of blurriness. Paste that on top. Just like that, or even maybe we want to do something better, like light only. And I don't know, this one, color, hue, saturation, hue shifted toward the red, increase the saturation, decrease the lightness, so that we have like this, and on top we want that. Yeah. Do I want light only, light luminance, screen, dodge, addition, screen or addition? Which one looks better? I think addition looks better. And we can merge down, and we have a very cool lava effect. Doesn't it look cool? I don't know if it's stylable. I don't think it is. But who cares, right? It's not gonna mess up my entire project. It's still gonna look like a skybox, yeah. Oh, why was this one way smaller than the other ones? I wish I knew. Because why did I expect them to be all the same size? Scale, and yeah, yep. Is this still what we're going with? Damn, I messed up. Big time. Okay. Yeah. Let's maybe add a gradient on top, because it doesn't look good as it is. Yep. Add a gradient. New. Okay. It did not add the gradient on a separate layer, which is not what I wanted. So something like that. Now I can play with this. Yeah. I mean, the lava just doesn't look good. So maybe I'm just gonna keep it as is. Not use the lava texture at all in this one. And just use this texture instead in all of them. Okay, below. Okay, place it below. Okay, and place it below. Now I could probably color invert the sky. Oh. Yeah. Color invert. Color of the sky. Invert. Color invert. No, just the sky. Color invert. And for the ground, basically we want the border of it to be this color right here. So filter, decor, add fuzzy border. I can choose the color. I want the last color which we picked, which is this color right here. Let's copy the code for it and use that in here. Yeah. Okay. Let's try less than 16. That's for sure. 8. It's still way too intense. So 8 is too much. Can I go back? Can I undo this? Oh, it's created a new image? filter, decor, fuzzy border to yeah, okay, so let's copy now this image and paste it on top of this one. We no longer need this one, and they're all good. We created our own skybox for Sarbraten because we could. So overwrite, permission denied. Why do we get permission denied? Okay, so maybe we're gonna have to save them as something else and then move them there with permission, because I'm sure I have the permission, right? It's on my computer. I'm sure I can give myself permission to edit stuff on my computer. But for now, let's just go into file, game. We need to just save that somewhere. And try to have it make sense. So game, Sarbraten is it, skybox, export. Okay, file, export as Sarbraten, recently used skybox. Actually, are these all the same, or are these different? Because if they are all the same, they are all the same. Okay, and this one below, maybe I want to select none, paste. No, this did not work. Merge visible layer. Okay, first one, step one. Then we copy this, we paste it. And what I wanted to do is reverse it on the vertical, on the horizontal axis, so that I can put it half transparent to make sure that the height on both sides is the same for a professional result, because we aren't making not professional stuff here. Also, we could maybe oily file it or water pixel it, like, nah. Filter, enhance, sharpened would probably make it look better with more detail. Yeah, something like that would look cool. And maybe, like, I don't know, the sky, what do we want to put in the sky? Do we want the sky to be lighter or darker? Maybe we could try with playing around with these concepts, like reverse. That's lighter sky, not good. Darker sky. Oh, now we're getting somewhere. Darker sky is scary because we're not used to seeing that. Okay, I can play around with that. See, already looks better. Maybe I could blur this. Maybe it would help. I don't know. Gaussian blur. Select none. I don't know what to say. It's better unblurred. Select none. And export as export replace. Yeah, this one's better. Okay, we made our skybox. Now the thing is, I cannot do that. It wasn't working. So discard change. CD file, game, Sarbraten, it's it. CD skybox, and we were in the this folder. Let's export that to my favorite folder. Open it here, and we want to move this to here, basically. Okay, easy, easy. Should be easy. We have evil sky, evil sky. Okay, CP all that's in here into this directory right here. So that's basically what we want to do. Is it gonna work? I don't have permissions. Sudo. Did it work? Only one way to find out. Yes, it worked. So you can just use sudo to give yourself permission. Actually, you could probably do some better than that. Like package cd skybox. Okay. And I could probably just chmod 777 package sudo And now we can edit the package, and I could do the same shmud to the skybox. 777 skyboxes. And sudo clear. There you go. I probably want to do the same with sound, so let's just do it already first. And yeah, I don't know where are all the textures, because there's a lot of, like, see the evil texture? What is that? Let's take a look at that. So yeah, those are textures from the game. Why are they in a different folder? I don't know. Okay, let's go out of evil textures. CDR, like, go in each file one by one and see what there's in there. So we have like texture here in art. So these are all textures. You could edit them and have fun with them. Like property, are they all the same size? 128. So that's not the same size as what we had before. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? Shmud 777. Oh, also permission denied. And now we have full access to all of these directories, and we can do whatever we want with them. Not the content in them. So step one succeeded at least. I don't know if there's a way to make like the file and the file also shmud, like recursively. We could try. Like first shmud help. Because that's not a command, that's fair. Shmud help, and I want a recursive. Yep, that is scary. Using recursiveness in anything is scary. That is very scary to do. ls cd r ls go, but it worked. It did what it was supposed to do. Maybe it did more than what it was supposed to do, but let's hope not. Okay, so I wanted to keep in mind that this one is 128. So if I go back here and I go into the textures or whatever, I just want to make sure that they're all textures the same size basically. So for example, if I go into medieval and I pick whatever texture property, 28. So 128 seems to be the default texture size. And then we have these ones which are bigger for some reasons. That pissed me off a little bit. But yeah, shit. We want texture that are all the same size. Maybe I'm just gonna replace all the medieval texture. What happened if I just create a new texture? Let's just do that. Medieval texture, wood gray is gonna be called new texture. Let's see if it's gonna load it in the game, even if open with textures there. Oh, you have to include them here. So basically I can create whatever texture I want as long as I include it here in this packaged CFG. So I could create my own package CFG, if you see what I mean. I think I could, but for now let's just try to std world. That could work. I'm just gonna try to make my own package. Minecraft, create, paste this, open in text editor, texture, medieval suck, woodland. Like, let's take a look at the name. Like, you need to have this, the name of the folder. So basically this time it's gonna be Minecraft. I'm teaching you how to create your own texture pack in Sarbraten, by the way. This is kind of cool. It's not just, I'm not just editing the texture in Sarbraten, I'm showing you not only how to do that, but how to have your own texture pack, which make any game better when you can make your own stuff. So yeah, we're gonna keep these. I think we like, no, I don't need to keep those are for lights. So I'm just gonna keep one as a reference of how to create a light. So texture Minecraft, like that's gonna be for torches. I'm gonna make a texture probably just for that. Minecraft light one. So no longer need. Oh, there's G, light one blend. See, that's important. So Minecraft. So we want light one and light one blend as a reference, and we're also gonna take this one, button wood hand, as a reference. So button wood hand and light. We want textures medieval, button wood hand, this one, and we want light one blend and light one. Copy textures Minecraft, and we have our basis. Okay, so we want to copy this base. This is gonna be dirt. Okay, now we go on the internet. Minecraft bedrock textures. We just want the all block textures. It's I forgot how it's called. It's called the like, we have stones, they're all in here. So dirt, that's the one I want. And we have the file, save image as, I mean, it's a long and complicated process. What? It would work. So file, and we can go into our edit probably. But now we can edit the file directly. So I could go up directory into the user share games, user shared games, should be around here somewhere. Is there games here? Finding stuff through the file editor is very complex. So textures, now that we're looking for, and Minecraft, and honestly getting there is so complex. I wish I could just add location on what? No, computer, user, share. No, I need to find it again. Games, Sarbraten, packages, textures. Just finding file is so annoying, man. Minecraft. Yep, that's what I wanted to do. Other location, I just wanted to add the other location. Damn. But I think I need to do this from here. Other location, computer, what? User shared games, GG. Games. Where are they? Grub. I can't find it. It was supposed to be somewhere in here. It's supposed to be here. Sarbraten, package, textures, and finally Minecraft textures. Rename. And we want to add this to open terminal property, open a new tab, open with other application, copy paste into folder, move to copy, rename, compress, local network share, open kitty property. How do I add this to my this? It's too complicated. I give up. I wanted to add this as to my favorite tabs, but it's harder than I expected. It's probably just a file somewhere I need to edit in Ubuntu, but I don't have the time to do this right now. So we have our dirt texture, which is going to be renamed as, oh no, it's a WebP. Everybody hates this format. It's so... do I have a program for that? cd bin ls grep webp ls grep web. I don't know. I need a program that would convert WebP to JPEG. That I need a terminal program that does that. But for now, I'll use GIMP, I guess. Yeah, because that's a pain that it's in WebP format. Open with other application. GIMP, and file export as same folder, just in GPG, and that should do it. Export, replace. Yes. But now I have a question. Is it the right size? Because if I look at button hand property image 128, and this image property, image property, it's too big. Actually, this image is actually too big. So what I'm gonna do is image transform, maybe canvas size scale image 128 by 128. Center. Did we break the texture? I don't know. Now we can export to dirt.jpg. You can close this one, discard change, go back to see if it refreshed, like open with image viewer. Yeah, it worked. It just did not refresh in the file manager, but it's there. So we no longer need this one. Move to trash, and now we can add it to the package. I know it's a long and complicated process, and there would be an easy way to automate all of this. That's for sure. And that's probably what I'm gonna do, basically. Yeah, there's probably a simple way, like to make a script to automate all this. So that's gonna be it for this job. I'm just gonna add manually this texture, and it's probably the last one I'm adding manually. I'm just gonna make a script to automate all of this. Basically, I'm probably not gonna download them like using a script from the site, because that would be way more complex than it needs to be. But at least I need a script that will convert the image from WebP to JPEG and to the right size, and allow me to like give it a name that makes sense, and add it automatically to the package.cfg in the right format. Like for example, dirt.jpg is now added, and the file is no longer called Minecraft, it's called Minecraft texture. So using gedit, I'm gonna rename, find and replace Minecraft with Minecraft texture. Find, replace all, basically. Yeah. Close. It's done. My work is done. Close. Okay, and we can build, like, we could add the Minecraft lights and have them work. That's cool. And the glowstone and all the light source from Minecraft can be added, will be able to be added, basically using similar method that I used. But yeah, let's automate that process. If you want me to write the script to how to automate that process, I'm gonna do just that, but in another stream, because right now I need to go pee. So that's why I'm ending this stream, because we did something. We did what we had aimed to do. We did even more than that. We basically found the process that we need to create our own texture pack for Sauerbraten, and that's any texture pack for this game. So create your own texture pack and find a way to send them to me. I want to see your own texture pack. Show me your own texture pack in Sauerbraten. Make a video, send it to me in the comment below this video or in the chat. I don't care. Just send to me your own custom texture pack that you stole from other game. I want to see a Super Mario texture pack in Sarbraten. Do you hear me? Make your own sound pack. Show me, make content like I do. I show you how. I'm the guy who show you how, but you are the people making the content. You are the people who's gonna use this knowledge that I just shared on how to do this. By the way, I'm on Linux, that's why I can do all this stuff from the terminal. It's not complicated. You saw, it's easy. You just type sudo, you make all the file accessible, and you can edit the file. To install the game, I bet if you're on a Debian-based program, I just did sudo apt install Sarbraten. So it's very simple. It's free game, easy to install, easy to edit, very simple. Everybody can do that. You can do that, and you're gonna do that, and you're gonna show it to me. Okay, show me what you built. Show me what your own texture pack, and you can share them online on GitHub, make it available to everybody so that everybody can use your own texture pack. We can build a community here. We can start doing something cool. This is a community project that everybody can join, that everybody can make their own texture pack for Sarbraten and link them to me, and I will create a repository of all the texture pack that y'all made. Same for the maps. Create Sarbraten. I want to revive this game. This game is great, but what it's missing is a core community making more content for it, since we can make maps. It's easy. You can save them. The process, I'm going to make a better documentation for this game, because this game is also missing good, clear, simple documentation. The documentation is way too complicated for what we actually need. We just need, like, basically what are the keyboard shortcuts for the editor in the game, what are the commands to basically load map, go into single player, save map, upload map, export map, all this stuff, because you can do freaking cool stuff in Sarbraten. You can export your map to Blender. Think about that. And I hope you can probably do the opposite. If you can export your map to Blender, you can probably make map in Blender and export them in Sarbraten. Maybe, I don't know, but that would be great. You could make probably very advanced map for Sarbraten, and you can play in local LAN multiplayer with your friends, and that is great fun. And it would be even more fun in your own map that you build in Blender. So that's gonna be another topic I'm gonna explore. This simple game has so many things that we can explore together, because this is a lost game to my point of view. This is a game that did not receive the love it deserved. This is just as fun of a game as Minecraft is, to my opinion, because of how it was made and how accessible all this stuff is, how easy it is to make your own texture pack, how easy it is to mod it, to create your own map for it, to share your, we need to build a community around this. I'm not gonna build a website for this. We're gonna probably just use GitHub or I don't know what, that is free accessible to share data, files and stuff, but share your stuff with me. I wanna see what you're gonna build. I'm building cool stuff. I'm going to show you what I'm going to build. I'm going to make shorts of it on YouTube, because shorts are better than long video like I'm making. These long video are too long, and there's not many stuff happening in these long video. I'm basically just speaking, showing stuff, explaining stuff. It's entertaining in the sense that you can learn stuff from these long-term video that you would not be able to learn in short content video. But what people have the time for is just show me, give to me the more entertaining part of the video. And entertainment does not mean practical. Like, if you watch this whole video, you've learned a lot on how to make your own package in Sarbraten. But to make this same video in short format would be hard, but not impossible. Now that I think about it, I could probably make a short of this process to have more people joining our community of Sarbraten custom texture builder, Sarbraten custom sound builder, custom map builder, people who make content from Sarbraten. This community, I don't think it's a large community. I think it's a small community. Tell me, maybe Sarbraten is bigger than I think. Maybe it's just not big in Canada, but I just think the game, seeing online, doing research, I think the game is not that famous outside of maybe the Linux community, people that just download the free games on Linux, the new fans. It's not a new game, but you get it. It's a Linux, like it's on the Debian package manager. There's not that many game on the Debian default package manager, so it's in there. Actually, I don't know how many games there is on the default Debian package manager, but Sauerbraten is one of the great ones with TuxKart. It's getting better, and honestly, they put so much love into this project. Like there's better texture in the newer versions, and it's the same thing with TuxKart. It's just it looks better with time, and I don't know if it's receiving the love that it deserved. And that's why I want you people to help me bring Sauerbraten to the light, to bring attention to this game and make cool stuff. Basically, we can, I can, you can. I show you how. I'm gonna build this script, and that's gonna be another video. I still need to go pee though. That's why I'm ending the stream right now. I just went on a rant and forgot about my need for going to the restroom and peeing. But I'm still gonna go. It's okay. I did not pee myself. Rest assured. I just can't hold it for long when I'm like concentrated on another topic. This is the end of the stream, folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, make your own Sauerbraten content and send it to me, please. I hope people watch these streams. I work hard on them. Kinda. Not really.